Must-see in Istanbul. Shopping. Shoppers need to stop at the Grand Bazaar. It is lined with 5,000 shops and restaurants. When shoppers get tired, they can sit and relax at a cafe or restaurant. Watching the other shoppers and the vendors is its own entertainment. Available items include carpets, spices, jewelry, leather, religious icons, furniture, and ceramics. Be sure to haggle for the best possible price, as that is the custom in Turkey. A less hectic shopping experience can be found in the Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar. The Egyptian Bazaar isn't as large as the Grand Bazaar, but defiantly worth a visit. Hagia Sophia. Most people have heard of the Hagia Sophia, as it is one of the largest, oldest, and most beautiful cathedrals in the world. Built in 537 CE, the Hagia Sophia started as a Christian cathedral, and then served as a mosque beginning in the 1400s. Now it is a museum. Visitors are fascinated by the dome, as it is 182 feet high. 40 windows surround the dome, letting in sunlight and highlighting the gold mosaics and marble columns. An impressive marble door is located at the southern entrance. Take a Bosphorus cruise. Consider a half or full-day cruise on the Bosphorus Strait. Cruising the strait is fascinating as it divides Europe and Asia. Visitors can view Istanbul from both the Turkish and Asian shores. Stops along the way include mosques, shops, and restaurants. While on the strait, visitors can see museums, palaces, forest-covered hills, and villages. Dolmabahce Palace. Dolmabahce Palace is significant to Turkey, as it was the home of the last Ottoman Sultan and the government center of the Ottoman Empire. Guests will be able to see what it really was like to live in the palace in its original state, as all of the furniture, decorations, curtains, paintings, furnishings, and carpets are original. Home to the largest ballroom in the world, an impressive 4.5-ton crystal chandelier adorns the room's domed ceiling. Every room of the palace is filled with unique art, candelabras, fireplaces, and chandeliers. Dolmabahce Palace is home to 6 Turkish baths. Blue Mosque. The Blue Mosque earned its name because of the blue tiles on top of the 6 minarets and the roof, and portions of the interior. At least 20,000 hand-painted ceramic tulip tiles cover the lower level of the interior. The mirad portion of the mosque is impressive and gorgeous, as it is made of carved marble.